Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Adyan's World. Today I am going to tell about different operators in Python language. Let's move on to the video. Variable types. Variable actually have a type which defines the way it is stored. The basic types are integer int x is equals to 124, number without decimal point. Float x is equals to 124.56, number with decimal point. String x is equals to hello world, used for text. Boolean bool x is equals to true or x is equals to false, used for conditional statements. Comparison operators, that is, comparison operators return boolean value, that is true or false, used extensively for conditional statements. Operator x is equals to y, true if x and y have the same value. X exclamatory is equals to y, true if x and y don't have the same value. X is less than y, true if x is less than y. X is greater than y, true if x is more than y. X is less than is equals to y, true if x is less than or equal to y. X is greater is equals to y, true if x is more than or equal to y. Arithmetic operation. Similar to actual mathematics, we can also use parentheses, that is double bracket symbol. Plus is used for addition. Example, 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Minus is used for subtraction, that is 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Slash, that is division. 7 divided by 2 is equals to 3.5. In this we get the quotient. Percentage, that is modulo operator. Mod 7 percentage 2 is equals to 1. In this we get the remainder. Asterisk is used for multiplication, that is 4 into 3 is equals to 12. Double slash, that is flow division. 7 double slash 2 is equals to 3. In this operator we get the quotient by rounding off the decimal point. Double asterisk, power of 7 double asterisk 2 is 49. That is 7 to the power of 2 is equals to 49. This is the coding for sum operator. Let me explain. X is equals to 8, y is equals to 7, u is equals to x plus y. Print u. This is arithmetic operator. A is equals to 94536, W is equals to 645678. If A is greater than W, print A is greater, else print W is greater. This is comparison operator. X is equals to 768, y is equals to 21, u is equals to x modulo operator y. Print u. This is modulo operator. Let's run and see the result. In arithmetic operator, the answer is 15. In comparison operator, that is A and W, W is greater. In modulo operator, that is the remainder is 12. In this coding, we do greatest among three numbers in Python language. Let me explain. W is a variable, W is equals to 98. X is a variable, X is equals to 90. Y is a variable, Y is equals to 45. If W is greater than X and W is greater than Y, colon, print the bracket double quotes W is greater. If X is greater than Y and X is greater than W, colon space print double bracket double quotes X is greater. In this we want to use bracket and double quotes for string. Let's learn and see the result. The result is W is greater. That's all friends. This is my another project. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye bye. My name is Muhammad Idjan from LiQWYD.